Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to repeat a cell n number of times. For example, here we have 4 products and we are going to repeat that product Excel 3 times, Outlook 2 times, PowerPoint 1 time and WinWord 2 twice. So here you can see the results. So I am repeating my Excel thrice, Outlook twice and PowerPoint once and here it is twice. So now let's begin. So for that we need to create some helper columns and we need to create some working on it. So how we can do that? So let's check it here. So for this we need two helper columns and then we are able to arrive final results. So I am going on the helper column number 1. So what we are going to do here, I am going to start with number 1 and I am going to accumulate this with my repeat time. So when I accumulate with this number, so it means the fourth digit would be Outlook. So let's talk about, and sixth digit would be PowerPoint, seven digit would be WinWord, and nine. We have deliberately taken this extra nine. I will tell you later. See, now as you can see, we have eight product. If we are going to repeat this time, then we have total number of products would be eight. So I am inserting my serial number from 1 to 8 and here it is. Now we have done with two helper columns and the third step and the final step would be VLOOKUP. So now we are going to use approximate match and lookup value is this one, comma, and table array is this one. Now lock it. Let's column index number would be 2 because we are finding the products, and since we are using approximate match and close the parentheses and enter, and you can see the result. It is working fine. Excel has repeated 3 times, Outlook twice, PowerPoint once, and WinWord 2. So if I'm going to repeat Outlook 3 times, then you can see the result and 3 times. Now you need to again drag and drop this to down, and you can see WinWord is again repeating twice. So this is the example. So keep enjoying and keep